Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Combine 1/2 cup peanut butter, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and 1 cup water in a saucepan. This is the base of the Lumpiang Sariwa sauce. Add 1 tablespoon vinegar and 1/4 tsp salt to balance sweetness and acidity, and stir until the sugar dissolves. Stir in 1/3 cup finely chopped toasted peanuts for texture before cooking. Measure ingredients precisely, and have a 1/4 cup cornstarch slurry ready to thicken the sauce. Bring the peanut mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat while stirring constantly for 3 to 5 minutes, watching for small bubbles around the edge. Whisk a 1/4 cup cornstarch slurry into the sauce slowly to avoid lumps, then increase heat briefly to activate thickening. Simmer 2 to 3 minutes more until the sauce reaches a coating, glossy consistency that will cling to the vegetables and wrapper. Taste and adjust. Add up to 1 tsp more vinegar or 1 tablespoon water to loosen if needed. Remove the sauce from heat and fold in 1 tsp sesame oil for aroma and sheen. This elevates the flavor without overpowering. Serve warm over 6 to 8 Lumpiang Sariwa rolls or keep in a warm thermos for up to 1 hour, stirring occasionally to maintain texture. Garnish each plate with an extra 2 tablespoon crushed roasted peanuts and chopped cilantro if desired, and offer lime wedges on the side for brightness. Refrigerate leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days and reheat gently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.